In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Zoom meeting invitation link. This is a quick and simple task, and once you know where to look, it only takes a few seconds. If you need to send a meeting invite to coworkers, classmates, clients, or anyone else joining your Zoom call, copying the invitation directly from Zoom is one of the easiest ways to do it. To get started, open your Zoom account. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your scheduled meetings. This can be done through the Zoom website or wherever your Zoom meetings are managed, depending on how you normally use the platform. Once you're inside your account, you'll be ready to find the meeting invitation you want to share. Next, look toward the top of the page and click on Meetings. This will take you to the area where Zoom shows your scheduled meetings list. Here, you'll be able to see upcoming meetings that have already been created. Take a moment to find the specific meeting whose invitation link you want to copy. This is helpful if you have multiple meetings scheduled, since you'll want to make sure you select the correct one before sharing anything. When you select the meeting, a small pop-up window will appear. This pop-up gives you quick access to options related to that meeting. In the top right corner of the pop-up, look for the More Options icon. Click that icon to open the additional actions available for the meeting. From the menu that appears, click Copy Invitation. As soon as you do that, Zoom will copy the meeting invitation details to your clipboard. That usually includes the join link and any related invitation information that Zoom provides for participants. Once it's copied, you can paste it anywhere you need, such as an email, a chat message, a calendar note, or a team communication tool. A helpful tip here is to paste the invitation into a message right away so you can confirm that everything copied correctly. This can save time and help avoid sending incomplete meeting details. It's also a good idea to double check that you selected the right meeting, especially if you're working with several invites that look similar. And that's it. That's how to copy a Zoom meeting invitation link. It's a fast way to share meeting access with others and keep your scheduling process simple. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.